Welcome to one of Chile's most enchanting railway journeys, the Valdivia to Antilhue steam train. This historic ride is more than just a train trip. It's a time machine taking us back to the golden age of rail travel in the heart of Chile's stunning landscapes. But what makes this train so unique? Stick around to uncover some little-known facts about this hidden gem of South America. The Valdivia to Antilhue steam train is powered by a beautifully preserved steam locomotive known as La Vapor No. 620. Built in 1913 in Germany, this locomotive has been meticulously maintained, making it a living relic of a bygone era. Did you know it's one of the last fully operational steam locomotives in Chile? This train is more than just a mode of transport, it's a piece of industrial art. The train operates vintage carriages, many of which were built in the early 20th century. These wooden beauties are restored to their former glory, complete with plush seating and period details that make you feel like you've stepped into the past. Fun fact: some of these carriages were originally part of Chile's national rail network and were repurposed for this heritage route. Their creaky floors and brass fittings add to the charm, offering an authentic vintage travel experience. Keeping this historic steam train running is no small feat. The locomotive operates using traditional methods, with coal-fed fireboxes producing the steam that powers its engines. Did you know it takes hours of preparation to get the train ready for its journey? From cleaning the boiler to fueling up the coal, every trip is a labor of love by a dedicated team of railway enthusiasts. Here's an unknown fact that will surprise you. During the early 20th century, this route was part of a strategic network used to transport lumber, fish, and agricultural products. Valdivia's position as a major port made it a key player in Chile's economy, and the railway was its lifeline. Today, the Valdivia to Antilhue steam train is more than just a historic relic. It's a moving museum, preserving the legacy of Chile's railway history. Whether you're a train enthusiast, a history lover, or just someone looking for an unforgettable journey, this steam train is a must-see experience. So, are you ready to embark on this magical journey through time? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to keep the spirit of travel and history alive. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite train journey? See you on the next adventure.